Hi there! It's great to invite you back into the studio once again. I'm Chris V, and usually I'd be diving into a watercolor project, but today I'm sharing a whole new adventure, working in the Procreate app on the iPad. I started using Procreate app a few years ago, and while I'm not an expert, I have learned a few tips and tricks I cannot wait to share with you. In this class, I'm going to show you how I create Procreate art mood boards using original artwork. Mood boards are collections of images from a similar color palette that help set a tone for a project or brand. But I've discovered they're also a great way to showcase your work if you're an artist or photographer. I have about 100,000 monthly viewers on my Pinterest, and mood board is one of the most popular boards on my entire account. Mood boards are a huge trend that you may want to get a jump on while it's fresh. I'll start by giving you a basic tour of Procreate, then we'll dive into inspiration, building a color palette, arranging images, working with different orientations, and adding text. The mood boards you create are perfect for sharing on social media, on your blog, and even in your portfolio. So if you're a creative looking for a way to be noticed, this class is for you. If you don't do Procreate art, you can still take pictures of your work and use in this class. At the end, I'll show you how to produce a time-lapse video of your project that can be also useful in various digital arenas. So grab your iPad or tablet, download the Procreate app, and let's get started. You got this. Procreate art mood boards. See you in the next video to get started.